Hi, I'm so happy to see you. I'm Shamapti and so good to have you here. And today I have Nykaa Hot Pink Cell recommendations. I know I'm a bit late. Quite a bit late, but I was not doing well. I'm better now. So yeah, I have few good recommendations for you. So let's start. And I'm so sorry about the messy background. I'm still getting better. First I have this one from Neogen. Their A Clear Soothing Pink Eraser. This is one drying lotion like Mario Badescu. So you apply this on your zit, pimples, and it helps the pimple to dry quickly. It works for me as spot treatment. This contains calamine, then alcohol. Even Mario Badescu, they have their drying lotion, but that's like 1000, and these are more or less same, to be very honest. So you can get a Neogen one if you want. And Yves, they have this body lotion. It is a good one. This is their coconut body lotion and they are giving 50% off. So if you want good scented body lotion, then you can try this. Otherwise you can stick to Vaseline, Parachute body lotions. They are giving like 50% off and you're gonna get 400 ml, 600 ml, and that can be a very good deal. These are gonna last you for months. Then I have a Retinol acne clearing gel. Retinol, they don't give much discount, but they are giving 47% off on this. So when I see brands, they don't give discounts that easily at very discounted prices. I think maybe the products are gonna get expired very soon, so I checked the expiry date and it's gonna last you for more than 1 year. Also, you can see Klairs double cleansing skin combo, like cleansing routine, is at like 44% off. So if you're into Korean skincare, you like their cleansing gels and foams, you can give it a try. But this cleansing oil contains fragrance, so if your skin is allergic to fragrance, then don't get that. Joy also has good discount on their body milk body lotions. You're gonna get 600 ml of body milk body lotions for 300 rupees, which is a good deal. The brands like Bath and Body Works, Victoria's Secret, they're giving good discount, like buy one get one, 50% off, this and that. Right now I don't have anything in my mind that I want to buy it from Victoria's Secret or this one, Bath and Body Works. Simple has good offer on their day cream and night cream. You're getting 40% off. It can work for all skin types. It prevents water loss. It nourishes the skin. Very good moisturizers. Also Milani is giving 30% off and they have amazing lip colors. I have swatched many of their lip colors. You can find those in my short. Also their lip oils are very nice. Also I thought Etude is gonna give good discount on their thermal water, but Amazon has lesser price than Nykaa. So yeah, if you want to buy thermal water, then buy it from Amazon. Also Face Shop is giving good discount. Their tinted sunscreen, moisturizers, these are at like 50% off. But this contain fragrance, don't get if your skin is allergic to fragrance. New Stick, they're giving 40% off. You want to buy anything from New Sticks, it's a good time to buy. I don't want to buy anything. I still have their blushes with me that I'm yet to finish. Not have it, you can try this body malai, their body oil. You're gonna get 38% off and plus you're gonna get few freebies. And this is this is one scissor I need to buy because I cut my own hair at home. This is very expensive, but I heard this is a very good one. So I found this brand, Korean brand, Manyo or something like that. So this is a good brand. I love their peeling gel, amazing. Their bifida ampoule is amazing, but their niacin, galactoniacin is average. Rather you buy Cosrx galactomyces essence, that's better than this. And I have noticed this thing about Nykaa sale, they change the prices just like that. I found they're giving buy one get one offer on Etude house. Now it's not there. Now they're giving like I think 30 or 40% off. So yeah, Somebymi retinol serum, I really liked it, the mini one, so I bought the big one. They're giving like 20% off. So they're giving 20% off. This is the best time to buy Elf. Buy one get one is on. And my favorite things from Elf would be their brow gel, then their hydrating concealer, their putty primer. From Dove, you can buy their body wash. You're gonna get 50% off. You are getting 1 liter of Dove body wash for 425 rupees, which is a very good deal. It's gonna last you for months. Wishcare is also giving 37% off on their hair growth serum. I love this serum. Also, if you want to buy some good comb from either Tangle Teaser or Ellen Truman, you can buy that. And most of the Indian brands, I think they give better deals on their website, like buy one get one or 50% off. Like, you know, even Plum on their birthday sale, they give really good discount and freebies, which I don't see during this kind of Nykaa sale. I mean, I see mostly good offers on international brands. What do you think? And also this brand ColourPop, they're giving good discount. They're giving buy one get one, so it's a good time to buy. You can try their eyeshadow. Their blotted lips are good. And yeah, thank you so much for being there. I hope you found this to be helpful, and let me know about your favorites, what the things you bought from this sale or you're planning to buy. And if you don't want to buy anything at all, that's good too. So yeah, thank you so much for being there. I'm gonna see you very soon then. Bye bye.